120 hours. Just 5 days. That's all it takes for your body to completely reset itself. But most of us never try it because we are scared. I'll starve. I'll lose muscle. I'll pass out. But science says the exact opposite. Dr. Mark Mattson's 25 years of research at the National Institute on Aging, Nobel Prize-winning autophagy mechanisms, USC's groundbreaking stem cell studies, all point to the same truth. Extended fasting is one of the most powerful healing tools in modern medicine. This is a 5-day special protocol that literally resets your biology. Today, I'll show you what happens each day, how to do it correctly, and the mistakes you must never make. Hello, my friend. Lately, maybe you feel tired, foggy, or unmotivated. Maybe even when you wake up, you still feel sleepy, your mind doesn't feel fully awake, or that heavy feeling after meals. This protocol is designed specifically to reverse those feelings. Recent studies at Harvard and Stanford show that a controlled 5-day fast resets your body on a cellular level. How? It's actually simple. Your body enters cleanup mode during fasting. Scientists call this autophagy. The cells clean themselves. Worn out, toxin-filled, aged cells are broken down and replaced with fresh, new cells. It's like pressing the biological reset button. But here's the interesting part. During these 5 days, not only your body, but also your mind transforms. Fasting isn't just a physical process, it's a conscious reconnection process. The brain, saving energy, changes its priority mechanisms. That chaotic mind, constantly bombarded with external stimuli, suddenly becomes simpler. You start thinking clearer, feeling deeper. The first day is usually the hardest, because your body is still used to sugar, coffee, snacks. The brain protests, "Why aren't you eating?" But this first 24 hours is the gateway to transformation. As blood sugar drops, insulin balance resets. How? On the first day, your body begins using glycogen stores. Glycogen is stored sugar in your liver and muscles. Each glucose molecule is bound to 3 water molecules. So when these stores are depleted, you lose significant water. That's why you may lose 1 to 2 pounds in the first 24 hours. But that's not fat, it's water. Your insulin levels start to drop. Insulin is your body's storage mode hormone. As this hormone decreases, your body starts burning stored fat for energy. Even if energy temporarily dips, your cells are switching fuel sources. From sugar to fat, your body enters fat-burning mode. But there's more. Mitochondria, the cellular powerhouses, reactivate. A study published in Cell Metabolism shows insulin sensitivity increases by 20 to 30% after just 24 hours of fasting. At this point, many people quit saying, "My head hurts, this isn't working." But that headache is your body releasing toxins. The first signal. With a little patience, by the second day, that fog slowly lifts. Important, at this stage, electrolyte support is critical. Sea salt, sodium, potassium, magnesium must be taken. Otherwise, fatigue, cramps, dizziness may occur. On the second day, your body enters ketosis. Ketosis is a metabolic state where the liver breaks down fats, producing ketone bodies. Ketones are a perfect fuel for your brain, even more efficient than glucose. Johns Hopkins medicine researchers have documented ketones provide neuroprotective effects, protecting brain cells from damage. The first thing you notice, mental clarity. Focus and concentration increase. Appetite drops. Energy stabilizes. Autophagy begins. Cells clean themselves. Old damaged proteins are broken down, providing raw material for new cells. Japanese scientist Yoshinori Osumi, Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine 2016, showed autophagy prevents chronic diseases. By the end of the second day, many people are surprised. Fasting felt unbearable. Yet now you feel calm. Your body doesn't resist. It says, okay, moving to the new order. By now, your energy source has officially shifted. Your body is now burning ketones instead of sugar. Ketones, the brain's preferred fuel. Sharpen your mind. Focus, attention, peak. Third day, something magical happens. Many doctors don't even know this. Your immune system literally resets. The third day is the most magical. Your body accepts being in fasting mode. Resistance disappears. Surrender begins. The digestive system rests. The liver expels toxins. Gut flora starts reshaping. Most importantly, brain fog lifts. Thoughts become clear. A peaceful emptiness forms. Not uncomfortable, but serene. Your mind discovers the power of silence for the first time. Many people confront their past, repressed emotions, memories. Even tears may come. Do not fear. This is part of cleansing. Every tear, a way for the nervous system to release. Pain decreases, breathing deepens. And then you realize, fasting is not deprivation, it is purity. By the fourth day, everything changes. That initial hunger, anger, impatience, gone. Replaced by lightness, calm freedom. Your body feels lighter, your mind clearer, senses sharper, even your sense of smell changes. Smelling an apple, you feel the life inside. This is full body renewal, scientifically called deep autophagy phase. Not only are old cells cleared, but new, strong, youthful cells are created. Muscle tissue preserved, immune system strengthened, BDNF rises in the brain, building new neural connections. Your nervous system rewires. Now, not just your body, but your mind is new. Focus improves, emotional resilience rises. You don't sweat the small stuff. With a simplified mind, awareness expands. Many describe this period as inner silence or time stopping. By the fifth day, the truly magical occurs. USC researchers call this biological reset. Your old self, gone. Body, mind, spirit, in one frequency. Colors brighter, breath deeper. Even food smells new. Because not only your body, but your perception resets. You realize, fasting did not take from you. It restored you. All that old fatigue, fog, heaviness, just excess. As you let go, real energy surfaces. These 5 days, not a diet, a transformation. Your body remembered its own intelligence. Your mind silenced. Consciousness activated. Now you know, you don't need anything external to renew yourself. Everything was already inside. You simply silenced the excess and finally met yourself again. And now, the most critical stage, 5 days of perfect fasting complete. Your body renewed, cells cleansed. When you break the fast, your body enters super absorption mode. Everything you eat now, absorbed 3 to 4 times more than normal. Most people start fasting perfectly, continue perfectly, but then a single mistake ruins the process. Wrong food, benefits vanish. Even worse, serious health issues may occur. That's why refeeding protocol must be followed exactly. What should you eat first? Which foods are completely forbidden? I'll detail this in the next section. Now imagine this, 5 days of eating nothing. Your digestive system is in full sleep mode. Stomach acid production drops. Digestive enzymes stop. Gut motility slows. And now, if you suddenly eat a heavy meal, what happens? Nausea, cramps, bloating. Even more serious problems. Medical literature calls this refeeding syndrome. Rare but dangerous, but don't worry, I'll guide you. So, what should your first meal be? Very simple, very light, very slow. Option 1, 1 egg. Just one. Add a small portion of fermented vegetables, like sauerkraut or kimchi. Why fermented vegetables? They contain probiotics, supporting your gut flora. Option 2, a cup of bone broth. Warm, comforting, easy to digest, contains amino acids and minerals, gentle on the stomach, and here's the key. That's it. Nothing more. After that first meal, wait 2 hours, maybe 3. Give your body time. Let your digestive system awaken slowly. 2 to 3 hours later, feeling good? Great. Now, second meal. Still slow, still careful. A small portion of protein, maybe another egg, or a bit of fish. Salmon is ideal. Half an avocado, or a drizzle of olive oil, and steamed vegetables. Broccoli, zucchini, carrots. Again, small portions. Don't overload your stomach. Then, wait another 2 to 3 hours. I know, patience is hard. But this waiting period is gold. Now, you are adapting. Third meal, ready. Slightly larger portion, closer to normal. Quality protein, chicken, fish, red meat, preferably grass-fed, natural. Healthy fats, olive oil, avocado, nuts. Lots of vegetables. Low-carb leafy greens are perfect. But one a caution, still no sugar. No bread, no pasta. This is very, very important. Now, very critical. Please take note. After fasting, never, repeat, never, eat sugar, sweets, bread, pasta, rice, fruit juice, soda, packaged foods. Why? Because they spike your blood sugar instantly. Insulin reacts strongly, and all fasting benefits vanish. You will feel terrible, bloated, dizzy, energy collapse. Please do not make this mistake. Why do we do all this? Let's remind ourselves of fasting's scientific benefits. On a genetic level, amazing things happen. SIRT1 gene activates, protecting cellular energy factories, your mitochondria. FOXO genes turn on, supporting DNA repair, fighting aging. NRF2 pathway opens. Antioxidant defense strengthens. Studies in Cell journals show calorie restriction and fasting can extend lifespan by 20 to 30%. In model organisms, still impressive. Cancer prevention. Cancer cells rely on glucose, sugar. This is called the Warburg effect. During fasting and ketosis, cancer cells starve. Normal cells function efficiently. Cancer Research Journal shows fasting can enhance chemotherapy while reducing side effects. Heart health. LDL cholesterol drops. HDL rises. Triglycerides decrease. Blood pressure normalizes. American Heart Association confirms this. Brain protection. Ketones protect against Alzheimer's. Parkinson's, clear harmful brain plaques. This is why careful refeeding is critical to preserve all these benefits. How to prepare for fasting. Start 1 or 2 weeks ahead. Intermittent fasting. Get used to it. 16 hours fasting, 8 hours eating. Easy start. Gradually reduce carbohydrates. Bread, pasta, sugar. Increase healthy fats, avocado, olive oil, nuts. Excellent. During fasting, what to drink? Plenty of water, mandatory. No coffee, no cream, no sugar. Herbal tea, preferably caffeine-free, natural. Lemon water, very small amount. Okay. Sea salt water, very important. Do not skip. Forbidden, absolutely, no fruit juice, no bone broth. Even that can interfere with autophagy due to amino acids. No caloric beverages, supplements. Very important. Sea salt, 1 to 2 teaspoons daily, dissolved in water. Potassium, 2,000 to 3,000 milligrams daily. Magnesium, 400 to 600 milligrams daily. B-complex vitamins. Omega-3 fish oil, low-calorie preferred. During a fasting, what activities? Long walks, in nature even better. Light yoga, stretching movements, very relaxing. Breathing exercises, meditation, calm your mind, sun exposure, vitamin D. Later days, cold showers can be tried, not the first days. Listen to your body. Stay balanced. Do not overexert. Possible side effects. Normal. Do not worry. Headaches, caffeine withdrawal or electrolyte imbalance. Solution: sea salt water, magnesium. Muscle cramps, potassium or magnesium deficiency. Solution: increase electrolyte intake. Mild weakness, your body adapts to ketosis. Rest, it passes by day 2 or 3. Rarely, gallstones may form. Solution: TUDCA supplement. Found in pharmacies. Important, not everyone can fast. Do not fast if pregnant or breastfeeding. Type 1 diabetes. Serious kidney or liver disease. History of eating disorders. Under 18. BMI under 18.8. And always consult your doctor. This information is educational. Personal health decisions must involve your doctor. Friends, extended fasting, one of modern medicine's most powerful tools. But remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Proceed slowly. Listen to your body. Even if you don't reach 5 days on your first attempt, 3 days still provide enormous benefits. The key: connect with your body, understand it. You are in control. Your willpower, your greatest asset. When you integrate this knowledge, energy rises, mental clarity improves, disease resistance strengthens. Most importantly, you feel amazing. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button, comment your experiences, ask questions about fasting, share this video with friends. Maybe they benefit too. Together toward a healthier future. I love you all, my friends. Take care of yourself. Listen to your body, and remember, health is a journey, not a destination. Slow but steady steps forward. See you soon.